Hello everyone! Are you curious about whether fish live in Antarctic waters? Let's explore! Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth, is renowned for its icy landscapes, extreme climate, and unique ecosystems. While it may seem inhospitable to life, Antarctica's surrounding waters, particularly the Southern Ocean, teem with a surprising diversity of marine life, including various species of fish. Despite the frigid temperatures and harsh conditions, fish have adapted to the cold waters of Antarctica and play a crucial role in the region's marine food web and ecosystem dynamics. One of the most iconic fish species found in Antarctic waters is the Antarctic toothfish, also known as the white gold of the Southern Ocean. Antarctic toothfish are large, deep-sea predators that inhabit the cold, dark depths of the Southern Ocean, where they feed on squid, krill, and other fish. These formidable predators can grow to impressive sizes, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 2 meters and weights of more than 100 kilograms. Antarctic toothfish are highly prized by commercial fishermen for their delicious taste and high oil content, making them a valuable target species for fishing fleets operating in the Southern Ocean. In addition to Antarctic toothfish, the waters of Antarctica are home to a variety of other fish species that have adapted to the extreme conditions of the Southern Ocean. Icefish, also known as white-blooded fish due to their transparent blood, are a group of fish species native to Antarctica that have evolved unique adaptations to survive in the cold, oxygen-rich waters of the Southern Ocean. Icefish lack red blood cells and hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying pigment found in most vertebrates, allowing them to absorb oxygen directly from the water through their skin and gills. This adaptation enables icefish to thrive in the oxygen-rich waters of Antarctica and other polar regions, where oxygen concentrations are high due to cold temperatures and extensive sea ice cover. Another group of fish commonly found in Antarctic waters is the notothenioids, a diverse family of fish that includes numerous species adapted to life in the icy depths of the Southern Ocean. Notothenioids have evolved a variety of physiological and behavioral adaptations to survive in the cold, oxygen-rich waters of Antarctica, including antifreeze proteins in their blood that prevent ice crystals from forming in their bodies and specialized enzymes that allow them to metabolize fats and proteins more efficiently in cold temperatures. These adaptations enable notothenioids to thrive in the icy waters of Antarctica and dominate the fish communities of the Southern Ocean. Despite the abundance of fish in Antarctic waters, the region's marine ecosystems face numerous threats, including climate change, overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction. Climate change is causing rapid warming of the Southern Ocean, leading to loss of sea ice, changes in ocean currents and circulation patterns, and alterations in the distribution and abundance of marine species. These changes are affecting fish populations in Antarctica and altering the structure and function of marine ecosystems, with potentially far-reaching consequences for the region's biodiversity and ecological integrity. Overfishing is another major threat to fish populations in Antarctic waters, particularly for commercially valuable species such as Antarctic toothfish. Illegal, unreported, and unregulated (IUU) fishing activities pose a significant challenge to fisheries management and conservation efforts in the Southern Ocean, undermining efforts to sustainably manage fish stocks and protect vulnerable ecosystems. IUU fishing not only depletes fish populations and damages marine habitats but also threatens the livelihoods of legitimate fishermen and undermines international efforts to conserve and manage marine resources. Pollution is also a growing concern in Antarctic waters, with increasing levels of plastic debris, chemical contaminants, and heavy metals accumulating in the region's marine environment. Microplastics, in particular, pose a significant threat to fish and other marine organisms in Antarctica, as they can be ingested by fish and accumulate in their tissues, potentially causing harm to their health and reproductive success. Chemical contaminants and heavy metals, such as mercury and lead, can also bioaccumulate in fish tissues and pose risks to human health through the consumption of contaminated seafood. Habitat destruction is another threat facing fish populations in Antarctic waters, particularly in areas where human activities, such as fishing, shipping, and tourism, overlap with sensitive marine ecosystems. Bottom trawling, for example, can damage seafloor habitats and disrupt benthic communities, including corals, sponges, and other sessile organisms that provide essential habitat and food for fish and other marine species. Shipping and tourism activities can also disturb marine wildlife and habitats, leading to increased stress, displacement, and habitat degradation for fish and other marine organisms in Antarctica. In conclusion, fish do indeed live in Antarctic waters, where they play a vital role in the region's marine ecosystems and food webs. From the iconic Antarctic toothfish to the specialized icefish and notothenoids adapted to life in the icy depths of the Southern Ocean, fish have evolved a variety of adaptations to survive and thrive in the extreme conditions of Antarctica. However, these fish populations face numerous threats, including climate change, overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction, which require urgent action to address and mitigate their impacts on Antarctic ecosystems and biodiversity. Through collaborative research, conservation, and management efforts, we can work together to protect fish populations in Antarctic waters and ensure a sustainable future for the Southern Ocean and its inhabitants. The goal of this channel is to answer all the questions in the world in video format. After we achieve it, when you search for anything on internet, you will be able to watch a video answering your question instead of reading an article. However, if we want to achieve our goal of answering 1 million questions, we need your help. Please support us on Patreon by using the link in the description. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, follow the channel for more related content, and see you later. Goodbye.